Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to delete your YouTube channel permanently. So this is different from deleting your Google account. So just keep that in mind. This is just going to delete a YouTube channel. And with YouTube channels, there's usually multiple brand accounts associated with a particular email. So you would have to go through this step for every channel that's associated with your email account. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select your user icon in the top right corner. And when you're signing into YouTube, go ahead and select that. Select where it says settings in the dropdown. You want to select under your channel where it says view advanced settings. You want to select the delete channel button, and that will go ahead and actually delete your YouTube channel permanently. And like I said, it will not close your Google account. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. You just would follow along with the on-screen prompts, and that's all you'd have to do. So pretty straightforward process, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.